have seen this. I know you've seen it. So this is the Lash Extend Mascara from e.l.f. I'm actually really excited for this because it's supposed to be a more affordable tubing mascara. And I do like tubing mascaras because they kind of hold my curl a little bit better than regular mascaras. But you guys know me, I am a waterproof girly when it comes to mascara through and through, because waterproof actually holds my curl and my volume in my lashes. We're gonna try this today. If you are new here, hello, my name is Josie. If you like this video, please hit that like button down below and maybe hit that subscribe to join the Glam Fam. We're really nice here. We're like a little family. I hope you will join us. All right, so let's look at this. We're gonna open it up first to see what kind of bristles it has. Okay, not my favorite bristle brush. It is plastic and silicone, but not the end of the world because we can still use it. All right, so let's curl our lashes first. If I can find my lash curler. Where is my lash curler? Hello? Hold on, I'll be right back, guys. All right, there we go. It focused. So, lashes curled, and we're going to go in with the mascara now. I am going to zoom you guys in. Ooh, we're real close. Hello. So, we're gonna open this up. As you know, e.l.f. is a really, really affordable brand. It smells like mascara. Let's go in. Ooh, I like the formula. It's a nice thick formula. And I like a thick mascara. Oh my god, that looks good. Y'all, do you see? If this doesn't fall, I'm gonna be using this every day. Yeah. Oh, I did get some on my eye. See how easy that, actually that rubbed off pretty easily. All right, they did fall a little bit, but honestly, they don't look bad. This looks pretty good, guys. Let's put a little bit on our bottom lash line. It is a thicker formula, and I really do like that. Oh, that went on very easily. All right, there we go. That is on. Let's let this dry for a few minutes, see what it looks like when we come back and it's dry. All right, guys. Okay, I will be honest. They did fall, but they look very fluttery, and if you guys can see it, because I can't, that's a pretty good lash, guys. That's a solid lash without falsies. Let's zoom back out. That looks good, y'all. I will not lie. This might be going into my rotation for everyday wear when I'm not wearing my mascara that's waterproof. The feeling of it does remind me of like the tubing light feel. Like it's very light on the lashes. It's not heavy. I'm really excited about this. I'm gonna say go get yourself one. Go get yourself one and try it. Especially if you have curly lashes. This is gonna be amazing for you. Because it's not going to weigh your lashes down. It's not too watery where it gets everywhere. It's just thick enough to build on top of itself without being clumpy. Yeah, I'm going to say go for it. That is it for this short review. If you like this video, let me know in the comments below. I'm trying to give you guys a good mix of like reviews and tutorials. Let me know what you guys want to see and or what you like to watch more in the section down below. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye. Mwah.